You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix the problem where your iPhone's Messages app badge shows a number, but you have no unread messages. First, force quit the Messages app, swipe up from the bottom and hold, find the Messages preview and swipe it up to close. Reopen it. If the badge persists, check for hidden messages. Open the Messages app and tap Filters in the top left. Ensure all messages is selected. If Unknown Senders is selected, you might have unread messages there. Switch to All Messages and scroll through to find any unread conversations marked with a blue dot. Next, check for pending notifications. Swipe down from the top left. To open Notification Center, clear any old message notifications by swiping them away. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on. If the badge remains, try resetting the badge manually. Go to Settings, then Notifications, then Messages, turn off badges. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. As a last resort, update your iOS in Settings, then General, then Software Update. If none of these steps work, the issue may be a deeper software glitch requiring a backup and restore via a computer. For more simple iPhone fixes, subscribe to the channel.